Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Pallavaram Garden, which is located in Pallavaram, Chennai, a project by Prestige Group. And today we'll be doing a project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. Now before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I am standing just out of the marketing office. So this is the marketing office where we'll be getting all the information of the project and about the land parcel. It's just beside the marketing office itself. Now about the land parcel we'll be talking later on. But before moving further, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders, because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. Now let me tell you, this is total 21.84 acres of land parcel with total 13 towers with 2 basement ground plus 14 floors, having 2 BHK compact, 2 BHK regular, 3 BHK compact, 3 BHK regular, 3 BHK large and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located bang on Pallavaram Thuraipakam main road in Pallavaram, Chennai. So let me show you that this is the Pallavaram Thuraipakam main road, and this road over this side will take you towards Thuraipakam. And on the opposite side, that is just behind me, you can connect towards Pallavaram. Now this is the sales office, the site of your project. Now about the further connectivity of the project. So you can connect to Embassy Tech Park in 100 meters of the project. Wells University of Pallavaram is 1 kilometer away. Wells Global School is 4 kilometers away. And Kaveri Upcoming Hospital is also 4 kilometers away from the project. Now about the amenities part. So this project has 30 plus luxurious amenities. Like of this is the Grand Clubhouse with fully equipped gym, landscape garden, swimming pool, tennis court, indoor game and many more. Now about the super built up area. As mentioned, this project provides you 2 BHK compact, 2 BHK regular, 3 BHK compact, 3 BHK regular, 3 BHK large and 4 BHK premium residencies with your 2 BHK compact start from 1001 to 1050 square feet. 2 BHK regular starts from 1148 to 1229 square feet. 3 BHK compact start from 1352 to 1438 square feet. 3 BHK regular 1548 to 1637 square feet. 3 BHK large starting from 1735 to 1800 square feet super built up area. 4 BHK starting from 2699 to 2735 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process. So project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the sample flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of the residential project, that is Pallavaram Gardens, which is located in Pallavaram by Prestige Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.